It's Nyako, and in today's video I want to show you how I got this long braided waist length ponytail here. It's super easy, natural looking, and super cute. So if you want to see how I got the look, keep watching. Hi ladies, so I am starting on blown out hair. This style does work best if your hair is blown out or stretched. And here I am using my wide tooth comb to comb out any tangles or kinks that may try to get in the way during this process of putting my ponytail together, because we don't want anything stopping us from getting a good straight ponytail, you know what I mean? So I do have a little product around my edges from a previous hairstyle. So here I am just spraying a little bit of water around my edges to loosen up some of the gel and edge control that I had on my hair the day before. And I am working with a side part today. I usually do a middle part, but I decided to be a little different this time and try out a side part. And I'm just trying to get it as straight as I possibly can. Of course, you know, with lines, you may not get it perfect, but I'm just trying to get this line as straight as I can so it can look as good as possible. Now it's time to put all of this hair into a ponytail. So I'll be using my snappy hair ties to put my hair into place. These hair ties are perfect for any ponytail. All you have to do is just twist it around your hair and snap it into place. It's that simple, and it is super easy. I love these. These are the only hair ties that I usually use. And I'm also using my Eco Style gel and argan oil. And I'm just going to take a little bit of the gel in my hand and I'm just going to rub it together. And I'm trying to smooth it onto my hair, just around the top and a little bit on the sides, so I can just get the top portion smooth. And I'm just going to put some around the back of my hair and of course around my edges in the back, so you know I can get all of that looking nice and smooth and perfect. And I'm just going to take my brush and I'm just brushing this hair into place. You might want to take your time on this portion, just so that you can make sure your hair is nice and smooth and there's no lumps or clumps. You want it to look as professional and smooth as you possibly can. So just take your time with this part. And I'm going to go ahead and get my hair tie, and I'm going to show you guys how I put this hair tie on my hair. And what I do is I just put it in between my index finger so that I can just hold one portion of the snap. And I'm just going to do a continuous loop around my hair. And I'm looping it probably about 3 or 4 times because I want my ponytail to be pretty tight. This style was inspired by Miss Vaughn. I saw her with a beautiful ponytail braid and I just decided to try it out myself, and I am so glad I did. I love this ponytail. If you want to, you can go check her out. She has a really cool style. Her name is Miss Vaughn TV. And as you can see, now this hair is into a ponytail, so I'm going to start working on my edges and slicking those down. So I'll be using a combination of Eco Style gel and Cream of Nature Argan Oil Perfect Edges Edge Control. And first I'll start to just kind of slather a good amount of gel around my edges. I like to start there first so that I can just kind of get a good coating around my edges so they can slick a little better. Guys, I'm not an expert at these at edges. I have seen some really beautiful wavy situations with edges and slicking them down with the baby hairs, but I think I do a pretty decent job for my hair. I think it looks good enough. You guys let me know what you think of these edges that I did. I don't know, I'm doing what I can, y'all. I'm doing what I can. So I'm just trying to just take my time here and go slow and try to curve everything around and just make it look real cute. I don't know, maybe I'll come back later, guys, once I perfect slicking down these baby hairs and show y'all how I do it. But for now, this is my technique. This is how I get these edges into place, honey. All right. Next, I'll be using my edge control, and this is going to help hold my edges and my slick baby hairs into place. Feel free to use edge control on other parts of your hair if you need extra hold or you want your style to last a little longer. And next, I'll be using my black scarf. I got this scarf from Walmart, and I'm just wrapping this scarf around my head. It's going to help set my hair and my edges into place so that it can be nice and flat and smooth while I'm working on my ponytail braid. The hair that I'll be using is this braiding hair by Janet Collection. This is 100% Kanekalon braiding hair and the color 1B. And this hair was $2 at my local beauty supply store. And as you can see, I have removed the rubber band from the middle of the hair. And I'll be dividing this hair into 3 equal sections because I will be using the feed-in method for this style of braid today. And I promise you guys, it's very easy to do. I did it on my first try, and I know you can too. As you can see out of the package, this hair has a blunt cut. So I will be trying to feather this hair so that it can have a more natural look to it. And I'm just using my fingertips to lightly pull on the hair, pull on different strands so that I can try to create this feathered hair look, so that it can blend better once I'm braiding my hair. As you can see, here we go. I got my featherness going on, and it's layered or whatever you want to call it. So here I am separating my hair into 3 sections for my braid. And I'm going to start with 2 rotations of a braid. So I'm just going to go around once, then I'm going to go around again. And in this particular style for the feed-in method, your index finger, your pointer finger is your best friend. So I'm going to be pointing to my index finger a lot. What I'm trying to do is move my hair up a little bit so I can show you guys exactly how this is gonna go. So I'm just gonna get the hair in the middle, and I'm going to put it in between my index finger and my hair. My index finger is actually holding the braiding hair. So half of the hair, the braiding hair, is under my index finger and the other half is above my index finger. And while you're holding it, you're just going to go with another rotation of a braid. And then your index finger is going to pop out again. And you're going to get the braiding hair again, get your second batch of braiding hair. And you're just going to put that in the middle again between your index finger and your real hair. So half of the braiding hair is under your index finger and the other half is above your index finger. And so you're just going to grab your real hair and the braiding hair together, and you're going to do another rotation of a braid. And once you go around again for the 3rd time, that index finger is just going to pop out again. So you're going to grab your last section of hair and you're going to repeat the process, putting the braiding hair under that index finger. And from this point on, you'll just continue to braid your hair as normal. And it can be a little difficult to grip your hair when you're braiding from behind. But I promise you guys, it's not that hard. It's fairly simple if you already know how to do a simple braid. And it's not going to be perfect. Some of your hair will pop out of this braided ponytail, as you'll probably see in a minute. But I will show you how to fix that a little later in the video. So I'm going to get 2 rubber bands and just add a rubber band to the end of the hair. I'm leaving out a little section of the hair so I can have a little ponytail there, a little situation going on. And you could leave it just like that, but I'm going to use a warm flat iron to just make the hair a little bit straighter. I would advise not to use a really hot flat iron because I have melted my braiding hair before with a flat iron, and you don't want to do that. It doesn't look good at all. So now I'm using Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Whole Spray, and I'm going to use this to help smooth out the hair, any flyaways that I have, and to just fix any problem areas that I may have. As you can see here, I have a little section of hair of my own hair that's kind of being a little hater and it's poking out on me. So what I'm going to do is get a little bit of the whole spray that on that section right there. And I'm just going to use my finger to smooth out that section with the whole spray on it, so that it can look a little better, a little neater. Okay guys, so I am all done. This is a really easy, affordable, cute $2 hairstyle. So if you want to switch up your look a little bit, consider giving it a try. And this style did last me about a week, and I absolutely love it. If you love it, hit that thumbs up button on this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.